Hello, this is Saifuddin, and welcome to my video on free hashtag research tools for Instagram. In this video, I will show you 10 Instagram hashtag research tools. So, millions of users using hashtags every day. It can be challenging to identify the right ones that will help your post stand out. That's where hashtags research tools come in. These tools can save you time, effort, and by suggesting the most relevant and popular hashtags for your Instagram post. The best part, many of these tools are available for free, making it easier for anyone to enhance their Instagram game. So in this video, we will explore 10 best free hashtag research tools for Instagram that you can use to take your Instagram marketing to the next level. Don't forget to watch the last tool, which is magnificent and most powerful method to do hashtag research. So let's look at how we go. So first of all, I will show you the on tool that is has H super tools, which is free. So here you can go to the Instagram hashtags generator section, and here you can put your keyword. So for example, eyelash, something like that. You can put generate. Then you will see it is generating the keywords which is relevant to the eyelash. Yes. So here's have multiple options you can see as well to sort out the specific keywords which is most powerful in Instagram. So for example, here's it is noticing that average likes, average comments, and post per hour. Here you can get another result. So if you like, then you can export these keywords by using exporting is as CSV. So you can export all of them, or by selecting them simply you can export all of them. So this is on free tools, completely free tools. So now I will show you another free tools, which is hashtagify. Yes, this one. Okay, so hashtagify is also most powerful. Instagram hashtag generator. Yes. Okay, so we can go to the website. So here's a bit that top section we can put our keywords. So for example, eyelash, then search. I think it's asking for the verification, login. I think we need to log in here. Hashtagify, Instagram. Okay. We can go there. Hashtag space is unavailable right now. You can check it later because it's completely free tools. Okay, so we can go to the next, which is right tag, where we can also use for our Instagram account. So here you can put down your hashtag. Your expected niche keyword is here. So for example, we choose eyelash, something like that. Then search it here. You can select it from here. Then you will get a complete list below. Okay. Yes. So here we get a number of options with multiple keywords, Instagram hashtags. So you can choose this from here as well. So we can go to the next, which is influencer marketing. In influencer marketing hub. I think this is wrong. We can go to the influencer marketing hub Instagram. You can search it full, then you will get the direct link and it will redirect you to the expected page. So in this section you can just input. So if by using these tools you will have to upload your post, your image, then you will get the related tags from these tools. So for example, we can upload a picture here. Just simply upload and generate hashtags here, then you will get the expected keywords hashtags below. You can choose and simply select and copy the selected hashtags from here. So it is so we can go to the next which is wall hashtags. Wall hashtag Instagram. Okay, yes, this is hashtag generator. So in this box, you can put your expected niche keywords, eyelash. Just simply select, click the generate. Then you will get multiple hashtags here, 30 more. So you can choose which is most powerful from here. Okay. So now I can go to the next, which is Systrix. Yes, this one. Okay. So this is so these are the tools which is completely free, and you can use these tools by simply selecting and doing research the hashtags from here. So in this field, you will have to first import the hash, then you will need to import your hashtags here, expected keywords within eyelash. Okay, just enter it here, then you will get the keywords in this section, and you can get two more hashtags. You can input two more keywords here, then you can get the hashtags from there. Okay, so we can go to the next, which is text finder. Okay, which is also a completely free hashtag research tools. So in this section, so it actually based on the location, so you can select multiple location from here. So for example, I'm just selecting here the USA, and you can import your keywords here. Yes, then just simply click enter, then you will get a huge amount of hashtags from here. You can choose from any of these. Okay, so I hope you understand. Then we can go to the next, which is inflect 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 hashtag generator. Okay, yes, it is also a free tools. Okay, so you can use your keywords, or you can upload a photo, or you can simply import your expected Instagram post link, then it will give you the keywords depending on your post. See, I'm just choosing the keyword section, eyelash. Okay, just enter it. Okay. Oh, it just slightly free. It is just okay. Just giving me a couple of hashtags here because it is asking me to pay it. Okay, you can just simply select a couple of from here because it's also giving me a report actually how much it is popular. Okay, so we can go to the next, which is Kickstarter. Okay, Kickstarter Instagram hashtag generator. Okay, in this section you can import your keyword here, eyelash. Okay, so you notice that eyelash is already in my search bar because I worked for my client, so that's why this is also here. Okay, here's about multiple hashtags here. You can choose how much you need, how many you need. So basically, these were the 9 Instagram free hashtag research tools. Now I will show you a good method and which is most popular and strongest hashtag research tools, which is none other than just the Instagram. Okay, you can use your Instagram search box to research the hashtags. Say for example, if you have the keyword eyelash, then you can import your keyword by doing it a hash. Then you will see a huge amount of hashtags here by giving a report actually how much post the each keywords is getting every single day. So you can choose the keywords from here. Believe me, this hashtag is very powerful, and you can use this search box as a most powerful keyword research tools. So I think that's all about the Instagram hashtag research, and you can use most others paid tools as well to get a good result for your post. But believe me, this Instagram search book is most powerful Instagram hashtag research. Thank you everybody. Thanks for watching this video.